Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start with the apps already in split view. Make sure both are visible. First, if one app isn't in view, open it from the dock or home screen. Once both apps are present, focus on the divider line between them. That vertical bar is the control. You'll use it to collapse one pane. So, position your finger on the divider, steady your hand, and prepare to drag it all the way to the screen edge to close one app. Now you perform the key action. Take the divider and drag it decisively toward the app you want to remove. You'll feel the layout respond as the app narrows. Keep dragging until the pane disappears. If you stop midway, you'll remain in split view, so push firmly and steadily. Once the divider hits the edge, iPad OS will close that app and expand the other to full screen. Make sure to release only after the transition completes, then check the remaining app. Finally, handle any floating slide over windows. Grab the small handle at the top and swipe the panel off the right edge to hide it. If an app refuses to close or the divider won't move, open the app switcher by swiping up and holding, then swipe the offending app off the top to force close it. Once done, return to the main app and attempt the divider drag again. If problems persist, restart the iPad and repeat this exact sequence.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.